What up? It's the Prelude dude, you know, another episode of the Parts Guys. Drake is around somewhere, he's in and out on this one, but I'm messing around with the Prelude. I'm just gonna finish up on the exhaust that I started to do. You know, I didn't complete the little side exit and stuff, so I'm gonna try to accomplish that today. So I got my flaring tool out again. I got a couple pieces, I'll show you those in a second. And I just gotta flare them out and we'll do a little test fit and see where it goes. Hopefully it milds it just a hair, because with it exiting the way it is right now, it is fairly loud underneath or in the vehicle. So yeah, but yeah, in the meantime, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, make sure you do, and then hit the bell so you get notified for all future videos. You know, if you don't hit that bell, you don't get notified. There's Drake! Alright, so the extra pieces I got were, I got this little 90 degree, this little 90 degree bend, and then I got this little like 45 turn down thing. And what I want to accomplish is I'm going to use this to kind of turn it back around and send it back towards the rear tire. And then I'm going to accomplish this right there, blah blah blah, so it sticks out and down and actually gets it away from the car. Because right now, very loud inside the car. Sounds good, but it's very, very loud. But first order, I gotta flare this out so it'll mate with the pipe down there. Then after that, I think I gotta cut this down just a little bit. It's just mocking it up. It looks like this is gonna melt down that rear tire. So
traction.
Yeah, traction in my front wheel drive car. All right. I'm gonna hold it with my feet because it's this is the proper way to do this right here. You know, actually you got a vise, don't you?
Yeah, but it's not mounted.
This will do. This actually will probably flare pretty compared to my other pipe. There's a little bit thinner wall. Looks like it flared it out a decent amount already. Let's go try it. Oh, it's very close. Yep, I just need to flare it deeper in there now.
Well, deep.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. And then I got those other rubber hangers so I can actually get this thing up here.
Oh shit, it won't be sagging right here. Oh, everybody, that's one ugly control arm from the Mustang.
Yeah. From the other day, yeah. The casualty. Alright, I'm just going to do this a little bit deeper in this time. I don't know if you guys have ever used one of these, but they wedge out as a cone so they don't flare it like an even flare the way like a pneumatic tool would. So you got to do it a few times to get it to actually gain some depth.
You're gonna have to edit this just a little bit.
Of course.
Now I don't know where your camera is, so every once in a while my finger. Well, it just swoops past it.
Yeah, if you see where it's at right now, it's pretty damn close to the tire already. So, yeah, if this is on here, we're touching, pretty much. I can slip this on real quick just to get an idea.
Yeah.
That's a bit close. And then when it's up, it's gonna be like, yeah, it's gonna actually touch up there. Ah, it's falling off. So,
alright, we need to do some modifying.
Yeah, I need to trim this down a few inches. Because I need this to pretty much sit like that, probably.
Alright, Dan, so what are you doing down there?
Kind of failing.
Failing?
No.
Remember all those times you gave Drake a hard time?
Is this payback time?
Revenge.
Revenge. Oh, you know what sucks? I'm not going to have enough room to use the impact down here. No, not like that. No! I gotta resort to the old-fashioned way. Can you give me a ratchet?
So look at this, guys. Look at all. Look. Hey, Dan, technically I just broke into your car. It's solid, bro. What are you talking about?
This whole thing is been done. I know. It's pristine!
The whole time. This is not safe, but everybody look. Yeah. Oh, focus.
What are you doing?
Give it a little, just a little wrap.
You want a little wrap?
Yeah, a little wrap. All right.
So yeah, that was another episode of the parts, guys.
Yeah,
don't
now
forget.
he's really right, Honda in it.
Yeah, it's definitely. It sounded good though. Look at that little side exit coming out right there. Woo. You know, it's not the greatest. Obviously, it's held together with clamps and stuff. Maybe I'll get it welded down the road, but it's probably just gonna be temporary until the turbo's set up.
Be like 5 years later.
Yeah, that's my style. When it actually requires me to do it, then I'll do it. Definitely.
Yeah,
but yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell, because if you don't hit the bell,
like
you
right
will
there.
not get notified. So yeah, we're the parts guys. I'm the Prelude dude. This is the Dead Lude. It's one step closer
It's
to
not
being.
dead yet.
Not quite. It's got 1 foot in the grave, that's for sure though. Yeah. All right.
It's very holy.
All right, good night. Crazy loud. I mean, going up the hill's a bit loud. Heel toe action. Killed it! You killed it, guys! Come on, I had a good thing going. Had a good thing going.